In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, the first thing we'll do is head over to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a number of options, but what we're looking for is the Reports module, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up a whole new world of financial data right at your fingertips. Now, once you're in the Reports module, you'll notice that there are a variety of report categories to choose from. It's organized to help you easily find what you're looking for, whether that's something general, like a business overview, or more specific, such as sales or taxes. Click on the category that best fits your needs. If you're not sure where to start, the business overview is often a great place to begin, as it gives you a comprehensive snapshot of your company's financial health. After selecting a category, it's time to get specific. Choose the exact report you want to generate. Some of the most common reports that people typically run include the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and the trial balance. Each of these gives you different insights into your business's financial status, so choose according to what you're focusing on at the moment. With your report selected, you now have the opportunity to customize it to better fit your requirements. You can start by adjusting the date range. Zoho Books offers convenient drop-down menus for standard periods like this month, or you can get more granular and pick a custom start and end date. This flexibility ensures your report is as relevant as possible to the time frame you're interested in. You can also refine your report using filters. Click on Add Filters and specify criteria based on department, tags, or various other entities, which will help you zoom in on the precise data you need. Furthermore, if the report allows, you might find options for selecting the reporting basis such as accrual or cash, and you can decide how to group your information for clarity. Once you've set all your customizations, the next step is straightforward. Click Run Report. This will generate your report with all the parameters you've selected, providing you with a tailored view of your financial information. Now, if you've customized a report and think you'll need it again in the future, Zoho Books offers the option to save it as a custom report. Just click Save as Custom Report, and it'll be there for you next time, so you won't have to start from scratch. Additionally, if you want to make sure you or your team are regularly updated, you can schedule reports to be automatically sent via email on a weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. This is a fantastic way to ensure you're always on top of your financial data without manual intervention. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to generating financial reports in Zoho Books. With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and analyze your business's financial health.